Hey there! This video guide is an overview of agent management in CommPeak PBX Stats. On the Agents page, you can do the following: view agent details, modify the agent's name, login, and password, delete agents, and add new agents one by one or in bulk. To start, log into your PBX Stats and click Configuration. In the menu that expands, select Agents. On the Agents page, you will see the list of agents available in your PBX. Here you will find agent IDs, names, logins, passwords, devices they are logged into, and assigned queues. Also, you can see if the Do Not Disturb status is enabled or disabled, and a few extra features in the Actions column. To modify an agent, click Edit in the Actions column. In the pop-up window, change the agent's login, alias, or password and click Update. To delete an agent, click Delete in the Actions column. Remember that even if you delete an agent, the history of their calls and call recordings remain in the CDR page. To add a new agent, click Create New Agent. Then, enter the agent's numerical login that will be used to log into soft phones and the agent's name in the alias field. Finally, click Save. To be able to track the agent's performance in real time on the Realtime page, don't forget to assign them to a desk. You can do it on the Desks page. Edit the relevant desk and add the agent to the list. You can read more about desks under the link. If you have special permissions, you can create multiple agents at once. Remember that you can add up to 100 agents at a time, and the logins should consist of 3 to 6 digits. Select Add Bulk and enter a range of logins and a prefix for agent names. For example, if you enter English Desk, the system will create agents with names English Desk 100, English Desk 101, and so on. In the Desks drop-down list, select desks to assign to agents. Finally, click Save. The system will take some time to add agents. Pending agents are shown above, and soon they will appear in the main table. The system automatically generates an agent password, and you can change it at any time. Thanks for watching. Good luck.